Hey guys, so we did our videos of opening up a jackfruit and cooking a jackfruit, and I also collected like 30 plus seeds, so I'm going to attempt to grow these, and we'll see how it goes. I have heard that these are pretty vigorous growers, and you can see the size of these seeds here. They're not quite the size of an avocado seed, but they're maybe 2/3 the size of it. They are massive, and one fruit, we had a 20-pound fruit, and it probably had like 40 to 50 seeds in it. We cut through a lot of them, taking it apart, but there were just so many more that we got out of it. It just is littered with seeds. It was incredible. So I have seen different methodologies for germinating these. I am just going to stick them in these pots and go for it we'll see how it goes. And I'm just going to press them in on their side. And then I'll come back through and maybe put a little bit more soil on top. So it's been a few weeks since I planted the jackfruit seeds, and they've all begun starting to break the surface. Here's one right here that just came up within the last day or so. And most of them are coming up along the sides because I wasn't sure the orientation to plant the seeds. So they're all coming up at different parts of the pots. But I'm very excited for this. Maybe another month or two and I'll have to be looking at repotting these, because they'll have filled out these little cups and be way too tall. But this is a really fun experiment that I got going here with the jackfruit seeds. I'll have more updates as we go along, and I'll have to really figure out how to properly care for these. So it'll be a fun learning process.